Second bit, first problem, if A equals to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then show that A into A dash equals to A dash into A equals to I. So I means identity matrix, A dash means transpose of matrix. So let's find out the A transpose first. So here the first row will becomes first column in the transpose matrix, second row will becomes second column in the transpose matrix. So this is a dash answer. Now let's find out A into A dash. So A into A dash equals to, so here cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Let's multiply these two now. So it is equals to, here first row multiply with the first column. So cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Next to first row multiply with the second column, cos alpha into minus sin alpha will become minus cos alpha into sin alpha plus sin alpha into cos alpha. Next second row multiply with the first column, so minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. Next second row multiply with the second column, minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is sin square alpha. Next cos square alpha. So it is equals to, it is exactly identity. So you already learned in the 10th class, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equals to 1, and here these two are cancelled, 0, 2 cancel 0, and it is also identity. So 1 0 0 1 means it is a identity matrix with order 2 by 2. So A into A dash equals to I completed. Next A dash into A. So here first row multiply with the first column, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Why? Because here minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is a plus sin square alpha. So next one, first row multiply with the second column, so cos alpha into sin alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Next second row multiply with the first column, so sin alpha into cos alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Next second row multiply with the second column, so sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So let's simplify this. So it is exactly identity 1, here both are cancelled, here also same, and it is also identity 1. So it is equals to I, identity matrix with order 2. So we proved that A into A dash equals to I, and A dash into A also a I. If A equals to one 3 by 3 matrix given, B also 3 by 3 matrix, then find 3A minus 4B dash. See here A matrix is already available, but B dash matrix is required. So let's find out the B dash matrix. So B dash matrix means here the first row 2 minus 1 0, write it as a first column. Second row 0 minus 2 5, so second column. Third row 1 2 0, so third column. So it is B dash. So now let's find out the 3A minus 4B dash. So first of all we need to multiply 3 in inside, so that means scalar multiplication of a matrix. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Similarly, multiply 4 in inside. 4 2s are 8, 0, 4, minus 4, minus 8, minus 8, 4 2s are 8, 0, 4 5s are 20, 4 into 0, 0. So now let's do subtraction. So 3 minus 8 will becomes minus 5, 15 minus 0 is 15, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus of minus 4 is 10, 12 minus of minus 8 is 20, 0 minus 8 is minus 8, 9 minus 0 is 9, minus 3 minus 20 is minus 23, minus 23, minus 15 minus 0 is minus 15. So this is the final answer. Third problem, here the matrix A, its order is 3 rows 2 columns. Matrix B, its order also 3 rows 2 columns. So find A B dash and B A dash. So let's find out the A B dash first. So in the A B dash, first we required B dash value. So here B dash is equals to, in the matrix B, first row is minus 2 minus 1, it will become first column, second row 4 2, third row minus 1 0. So it is a transpose matrix of the matrix B. So before doing the multiplication, let's verify the condition, which is the order of the first matrix is 3 rows 2 columns. Order of the second matrix is 2 rows 3 columns. So here number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So multiplication is possible. And the order of the answer matrix is 3 by 3. So let's multiply the both. Here 7 in minus 2, here minus 2 minus 1. 7 into minus 2 is minus 14, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Next to same first row with the second column, 7 4s are 28, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Next to first row third column, 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, minus 2 into 0 is 0. Next one is minus 1 into 2 with the first column, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, 2 into 0 is 0. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next to 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, 3 2s are 6, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 3 into 0 is 0. So now the answer is minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12, 28 minus 4 is 24, minus 7 plus 0 is minus 7, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 4 plus 4 cancel 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 13, 20 plus 6 is 26 and minus 5. See what is its order? 3 by 3. Now second one is B A dash. So here in the B A dash, first we need A dash value. So A dash equals to, here the first row will becomes first column, second row will becomes second column, third row will becomes third column. So this is a A dash matrix. Now let's find out the B A dash answer. So the first matrix order is 3 rows 2 columns, second matrix order is 2 rows 3 columns. So here columns equals to rows, so then multiplication is possible. So let's multiply them. Here is a first row with the first column, minus 2 into 7 is minus 14, minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Next to first row with the second column, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So next minus 2 into 5 is minus 10, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 7 4s are 28, minus 4, minus 4, plus 4, 4 5s are 20, 2 3s are 6. Next minus 1 into 7 is minus 7, plus 0, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, plus 0 into 2 is 0, here is a minus 5 plus 0. Now it is equals to minus 14 plus 2, answer is minus 12, 2 minus 2, answer is 0, minus 10 minus 3 is minus 13, 28 minus 4 is 24, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, 0, 26, minus 7 plus 0 is minus 7, 1 plus 0 is 1 and minus 5. So its order is 3 by 3. Fourth problem, for any square matrix A, show that A dash is a symmetric. Square matrix means number of rows equals to number of columns is called a square matrix. So for example 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 is called a square matrix. So let's take the A as a one square matrix. So A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a one square matrix. Show that A into A dash is a symmetric. So first of all we need to find out the A dash value. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's find out the A into A dash. So the matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and A dash is 1, 3, 2, 4. So let's multiply them. It is equals to first row, first column 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. Next to 1 into 3 plus 2 4s are 8. Next to 3 into 1 is 3, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 3 plus 8 is 11, 3 plus 8 is 11, 9 plus 16 is 25. So A into A dash is 5, 11, 11, 25. Now we need to show that A dash is a symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix nothing but, for example A is a one matrix. So A transpose equals to A, then A is called a symmetric matrix. Okay. So here also instead of A he gave A dash matrix. So let's apply the transpose for A dash. So then 5, 11, 11, 25. See, it is exactly equals to A dash matrix. So A dash. So A dash all transpose equals to A dash. So definitely A dash is a symmetric matrix.